the end of summer tablescape collaboration hosted by the diva herself, Kimberly Davis. Thank you for joining Veronica's Decor Lab and our contribution to this open collaboration. We thank you, Kimberly Davis, for allowing us to participate and showcasing our talents here. Our presentation is represented in the gold and yellow in our place settings. And one of the main challenges that we have with this collaboration is to showcase fruit. Our place settings have various items that come from many different places, from Pier 1, from Goodwill, to Walmart, and even the Dollar Tree, as well as DIYs made by us here at Veronica's Decor Lab. If you haven't already done so, please hit that subscribe button. We would love for you to join us here at Veronica's Decor Lab to see the awesome things that we conjure up and create, and as well as talk about or chit chat or whatever it may be. We thank you for joining us here on our channel, and we welcome you as a new family member. The table is adorned with the warmth of the sun, sunny golden yellow. Again, if you haven't already done so, please subscribe to Veronica's Decor Lab and share. And thank you, Kimberly Davis, for allowing us to participate in your collaboration.